SureGrip Controls is a manufacturer of joysticks, handles, and electronic components that are used throughout the world in mobile hydraulics and various industries. One of the things that we do in our manufacturing facility is we have a strong continuous improvement culture. What does that mean? We listen to our employees, and more importantly, we enable them to make the changes that will make us better. We realize that we will never have enough support engineers or support technicians to be able to implement all their ideas, and we provide an environment where they are enabled to make some of those changes themselves. This approach is very important for us as we try to continually improve our organization. We realize that our competitors are always getting faster, they're coming up with newer products, and one of the differentiators that we have in the industry is being able to respond to customers very quickly, being very nimble to their needs. One of the things, or one of the ways that we do that, is by continually challenging our lead times for our own products. We currently have product lead times that are on the order of 2 to 3 weeks, and in order for us to maintain those, we need to continually get better. From the supply chain to manufacturing, quality, shipping, each area of the business needs to continually improve. And we drive that in all aspects of our business on a daily basis.